All right, ladies and gentlemen, now RBI Governor Shaktikanta in an interview to a news agency recently has said that the Apex Bank is not behind the curve on rate cuts. In fact, his statement comes after retail inflation hit 9-month high in the month of September. Ankur Mishra, my colleague, has more details. Ankur, what else did the RBI Governor say in that interview, especially as far as the issue of rate cuts is concerned? Because the expectation is that RBI will follow, given that the Fed has already made those cuts.
Yes, important comments coming in from Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta, where he mentioned that they are not behind the curve. In fact, rate cut at this stage will be risky as well as premature. Now, for all those market participants who were expecting rate cut, these are important comments from Reserve Bank of India Governor, where he says that RBI would like to wait and watch at this moment. Remember, in the last policy, Reserve Bank of India has decided of changing its stance from withdrawal of accommodation to neutral, and now Reserve Bank of India Governor making crystal clear comments that rate cut will be premature at this junction. However, talking about inflation situation, he said that he was expecting September inflation to be high, and adding on to it, he also mentioned that in the month of October also the number of inflation may be high. However, later in the fiscal year, the expectation is that it will align towards the target of 4%, which is the mandate of Monetary Policy Committee. Remember, Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta has repeatedly made comments about aligning towards the target of 4%. He mentioned about the stable, the horse in this policy, and also elephant walking towards the forest earlier. But all in all, the focus on inflation remains, and it may spoil the party at least in the month of October. But the focus of Reserve Bank of India remains to align inflation towards 4% target.
All right. Thank you very much, Ankur, for getting us all of those details. So far as that interview that was given by RBI Governor Shaktikanta to a news agency was concerned, of course, he was weighing in on whether or not India is behind or not behind that rate cut cycle. Of course, the word coming in from the RBI Governor is that there are still significant risks with regards to inflation, and the central bank is vigilant on that.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.